Many people visit us here at Harmon Dental Center because they're interested in cosmetic dentistry. We offer solutions to many issues that we are able to think outside of the box often and do crowns or bridges, or I'll have a patient that has a complicated cosmetic situation, and we often will do a scan on our patients, and we can take that scan and send it off to a laboratory and get a mock-up of ways to solve the cosmetic issues with some types of crowns or whether it be veneers. And then once we have the mock-up, we can discuss that with the patient and see if it's a solution that fits the budget and fits lifestyle. Some examples of cosmetic issues would be spacing between the teeth. If you have had orthodontics or didn't have orthodontics and you have spaces in your front teeth that you would like to have addressed, we can often make crowns that make your teeth look full and natural and beautiful. If you have missing teeth or they have defects on them of one kind or another, beautiful cases come out of these situations even when you think that there's not much that can be done. Here at Harmon Dental Center, we have multiple types of amazing technology that allow for us to communicate easily with our patients through the whole process. That way we're getting input from what you want, and we can tell you what we can do with what you have, and we come out with great solutions.